What if the path to medical school, a journey often fraught with financial burdens, suddenly became free? Not through government funding or scholarships, but by the generosity of one individual. This is the story of Ruth Gottesmman, a philanthropist whose recent donation has sparked both celebration and curiosity. Ruth Gottesmman, an unassuming billionaire, shocked the world when she donated a staggering $1 billion to the Bronx Medical School. This donation, one of the largest in the history of philanthropy, was intended to make medical education accessible to all, eliminating the barrier of tuition fees. But as with many good things, there is a catch, a surprising one at that. Gottesmman's generosity came with a condition, a stipulation that left many scratching their heads. The funds, while earmarked for tuition, were not to be used for traditional medical education. Instead, Gottesmman insisted that the funds be used to pioneer a new curriculum focused on holistic and preventive care, a departure from the traditional, treatment-centric approach to medicine. This paradigm shift, Gottesmman believes, is the future of healthcare. Her vision is to transform the way future doctors are trained, equipping them with the tools to not only treat illness, but to understand and address its root causes. A vision where physicians are not just healers, but educators and advocates for their patients' overall health. It is a bold move, one that has ignited a debate within the medical community. Some applaud the forward-thinking approach, while others worry about the potential implications for traditional medical education. Yet, regardless of the differing opinions, there is no denying the impact of Gottesmman's donation. To summarize, Ruth Gottesmman's $1 billion donation to the Bronx Medical School has made tuition free for its students, but with a surprising catch. The funds are to be used to develop a new curriculum focused on holistic and preventive care, challenging the traditional approach to medical education. This donation has sparked a debate within the medical community, but it is undeniable that Gottesmman's generosity will shape the future of medical education in ways we can only begin to imagine.